Hi guys, this video will be a tour of our last two resorts of the Dominican Republic stays. These two resorts is located at Cana, which is closer to the Punta Cana International Airport. We will be staying at the Hyatt Ziva first. This is an all-inclusive family resort. Since we are the Hyatt Global List member, we were taken to the club for check-in. After check-in, our butler took us to our room. As you can see, there's a water park at the resort. Next, let's take a look at our room. We are on the highest floor that have both ocean and resort view. Not sure if all the guests receive this chocolate at Christmas Eve or it's just for the member. Hyatt Ziva and Hyatt Zilara is right next to each other, and there are many different ways to go from one another. The first way you can go through is through the meeting room, and that's where the COVID testing site is currently located. This is the main lobby, similar to Ziva, but the only difference is that in Zilara there's a straight open path leading down to the pool and the beach. So this is our room look like at Hyatt Zilara. Hyatt Zilara is an all-inclusive adult-only resort. Lastly, let's tour around the resort. Start with the food first. The quickest ways to go from Hyatt Ziva to Hyatt Zilara is through the fitness center.